Valmiki Ramayanam, episode number 14, from all the way from what you call Murugan temple, that is Parani say, we have come down to Shirdi place, Shirdi Sai Baba place. So in continuation of the episode number 14 of the Valmiki Ramayanam, it is what you call, Valmiki talks about the Ayodhya people. Ayodhya kingdom is ruled by pure Dharma. Pure Dharma Raj say, what we call Ayodhya, Dasarathji name is running the place. In that, we are talking about the administration. There are total 8 ministers are there. 8 ministers, usme all the ministers are very well learned or all well educated. सब पढ़े लिखे हैं, सब educated है. इसमें एक minister है that is called as Sumantra. He is a charioteer of what we call Dasaratha. So Valmiki Ramayanam में this is what we call Valmiki tells about how the ministers are very well learned, are all well educated, and all the ministers are all what we call very highly talented people, and they maintain the secrecy. The secrecy maintained karte. They run their own administration. In that, any people who does any mistake, including the children, all they will be punished. That's what about the Valmiki or the what you call tells about in the Valmiki Ramayana. And we are in the what you call Shirdi place. There are many devotees are all there. But uske alawa, I want to talk on a very important point. It's a vision it is running about what you call the importance of the administration. So people follow the Dharma. Dharma means what? They follow the certain basic ethic. Uska se logon ke mein Ayodhya ke people mein they don't have any problem at all. They don't have any grievances at all. They are all are well happy or all very highly talented. We request the cameraman to see the Shirdi or the necessary what we call shops and all every other things and all. It is again beautifully, and the Shirdi place, it is all the way from what you call Hyderabad is 700 kilometers. So people come with a lot of what we call with the devotion, affection and all every other. So it is a very important things and all. Sab log aaye, be happy, and we are talking about what we call how the Ayodhya is run by all certain section of the great king Dasaratha. This is what episode number 14 of the Valmiki Ramayanam, and we are all doing the Ramayanam Parayanam, Ramar Prayanam, and the person who is there beside with me is from Madurai. He is a farmer. I'm not using what farmer means what. He has got nearly 50 acres of land in Madurai. I'm not using the land here. He has all the way come from Madurai to Shirdi, and we both met in a railway station. That is important. So we are all like a Lord Rama. We people like good people, good things and all. This is what about him, and he is a what you call has come all the way and attended our Sriranga Charanam, what we call Odu Sita Rama Kalyanam. And more than that, it's very important that we are in the episode number 14 of the Valmiki Ramayanam. And iske alawa last point hai, people who are good, then only the place will be good. अगर लोग अच्छा है बोले तो सोसाइटी भी अच्छा रहता है. अगर लोग अच्छा रहने के बाद सोसाइटी अच्छा रहने के बाद नेचुरली द कंट्री आल्सो विल बी वेरी गुड. दैट मीन्स व्हाट, अच्छा रहना कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द हाउस. If the house is good, the society will be good. If the society is good, then the state will be good. अगर state अच्छा है बोले तो the country also will be good. ये सब अच्छा रहना तो कैसे है? It's done on the basis of dharmam, dharmam, dharmam. Sarvadharman parijite. It is called dharmam is very very important. Follow the basic thing. Dharmam में क्या है? सब लोग please respect your parents. माता पिता इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. रामायण में रामर कभी भी हर एक जगह में ही टॉक्स अबाउट हिज फादर. सब जगह में ही टॉक्स अबाउट हिज इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ फादर ఉండే అన్ని చోటలో ही टॉक्स अबाउट మా నాన్న एंड सब जगह में बात करता मेरा पिताजी बोलते. प्लीज़ आज का भविष्य में जनरेशन में टेक केयर ऑफ द पेरेंट्स. दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो ऑल पीपल ऑफ दिस what you call Gopikas, we all have come from what you call right from that what you call Murugan Perumal, that is what you call Parani se lekar we have come down to all the way to Shirdi. This is episode number 14. We are doing Ramar Prayanam. Today we talked about the administration, how King Great Dasaratha ruled. We are not using the word King Dasaratha. We are using the word Great King Dasaratha. That means what? Dasaratha followed the Dharmam. Dharma, I'm repeating once again, administration is run by what you call Satyavan. It is run about that Dharma of the things and all. That's what today's episode number 14. We have come all the way from, repeating once again, all our Gopikas of the Sri Rangacharanam, of Valmiki Ramayanam, keep Prayanam. We are doing it, what you call, at episode number 14 at Shirdi. Shirdi is what? It is a birthplace of Shirdi Sai Baba. एक बात हम कहना चाहते हैं, all are great. सब लोग ग्रेट है. मानव जन्म, ह्यूमन बीइंग इज वेरी, रामायणम डील्स अबाउट व्हाट ह्यूमन बीइंग, एक लोगों से कैसा बिहेव करना. दैट्स व्हाट द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन? इट्स टू सर्व द पीपल. लोगों को सर्व करना, इज व्हाट? इट इज सर्विंग द सोसाइटी. दिस इज व्हाट अबाउट दैट एपिसोड नंबर 14 ऑफ द वाल्मीकि रामायणम. थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर एवरीवन. सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्त सुखिनो भवन्तु. जय श्री राम, जय श्रीमन नारायण, जय वडू रामर, जय 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 वडू
साईनाथ महाराज की जय.
सेकेंड सब लोग आइए सर, वी कैन डू दैट. एंड इट ऑल वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट of the devotee. It was
साईनाथ महाराज की जय.
जय बोलो श्री राम की जय. जय बोलो वडू रामर की जय. थँक यू फॉर जय श्री राम.
पुढं मध्ये घुसून झालं ना आता.